In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate your Payoneer account with Pond5 in just a few easy steps, so you can start withdrawing your profits directly to your Payoneer account, no delays. Welcome back. If you're not familiar with Pond5, it's an online marketplace where you can sell your content including photos, illustrations, templates, videos, and sounds. If you're interested in becoming a Pond5 contributor, feel free to check out the tutorial available on my YouTube channel, Facebook page, or TikTok. Now, let's move to Pond5 payment settings. After logging into your Pond5 account, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the homepage. Then click on Account. Scroll down. In the Payout Preferences, click on the Edit Account Info button. A pop-up will appear. Click on Send Email. Once you do this, a link will be sent to your email. Navigate to your email and look for the Pond5 message. Once you open the email, you'll see a link similar to the one shown here. Simply copy this link, return to the page where you log into your Pond5 account, and paste it into the top field of your browser, then press Enter. This will allow you to edit your information, including your payout method. Scroll down to access Payout Preferences. When this checkbox is selected, your earnings will be automatically transferred to your designated account once your balance reaches a minimum of $25. Payouts occur on the 15th of each month. The second option allows you to send only the profits for that current month. Next, link your Pond5 account to your payment provider of choice, such as Skrill or PayPal, and enter your email address in the provided field. Then click on the Confirm button, or choose Payoneer card. Since this tutorial focuses on Payoneer, select the Payoneer account option. Then click the Confirm button. This will take you to a page where you can create a Payoneer account if you don't already have one. If you're unsure how to create a Payoneer account, I have a step-by-step video tutorial available on my YouTube channel, Facebook page, and TikTok. If you already have a Payoneer account, click here to proceed. A pop-up window will appear. Simply enter your Payoneer login information and click Login. You've now successfully linked your Payoneer account with your Pond5 account. This will be your default currency on Pond5. If you want to verify that your Pond5 account is linked, log into your Payoneer account. Then, from the home page, click Manage on the left side of the screen. Next, click on Businesses you work with, then select Companies you work with. You should see your Pond5 account listed there. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on integrating Payoneer with your Pond5 account and setting up your payout preferences. Now you can withdraw your profits directly to your Payoneer account. I hope you found this tutorial both helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe, and check out our other tutorials. Also, share this video with others who might benefit from using Pond5 or selling their content on the platform. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.